morning, Scrap for Cash. Happy Friday morning. Back at the scrapyard, and this is a little different load I'm taking today. We have picked up commercial counts. Sweet! About 8 auto service places. Sweet! And I have a bunch, a ton, 1,500 pounds, 2,000. I'm not really sure how it weighs. 2. The GoPro shut off for no reason whatsoever. Anyway, good morning again, Scrap for Cash family. Friday morning, I'm at the scrapyard. As I mentioned, we have some new commercial accounts for auto parts, and we have a bunch of weight on the back of this truck. I am in the second red truck, and it's all AutoCast today. So I'm just sitting here in line, seeing when I can get up there to unload a ton, and I mean, well, probably 2 tons of rotors and just a bunch. So it'll be interesting to see. I weighed in at 6,900, but I don't know what the empty weight is on this truck. I thought it was somewhere 4,700, 4,900, but I don't really know for sure. So we'll have to see. Maybe it's an actual ton. That'd be interesting. So once I get up there to get unloading, I'll check back with you. See ya.
I am great.
It's Friday at least, right?
Yeah, and it's not as hot as it was.
No, it's not bad at all right now.
I'm gonna die.
I know. It's going to be hot again tomorrow, but I still don't think we quite have the humidity.
We're going to the Pride Festival tomorrow in Cincinnati.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, we've never been. My wife wants to go, and my brother's gay.
Okay.
He's gonna meet us there. Take the kids. They got a big ass parade, and
Yeah.
I don't know, something different. I'm tired of the same old crap.
Yeah, something to do, right?
Food.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, probably really good food. All right, guys, take a look at this. It's a bunch. Count as an arm workout, right, guys? Not that I was necessarily going for that, but what the hey. God knows the arms need it. Surely that's aluminum too. Yep. Holding those aside.
added on?
I unloaded, well, I think close to 2,000 pounds of auto cast, and found a few pieces what I think are aluminum for y'all.
1880.
That all look like aluminum.
Yep.
I know I checked that, and those are radiators, and then that silly little piece up there. Can you grab it? Oh, so close. Awesome. There you go. Thank you. I figured I'd get rid of them while I'm still here.
How we doing today, Miss Carrie?
I'm doing good since I got that unloaded. That was our big worry.
Help you?
No, I was good. I was good. It was you know, mostly rotors. I figured it's an arm workout.
Busted.
He's directing traffic.
Traffic cone. Is that everything?
That's it. I may bring in another truck, and I really don't know what's on it. So if I do, I may be back in.
We'll be here.
All right.
Have a good day.
You too. At least it's Friday, right, Tyler? Have a good one. See ya. All right. You hear that, guys? Almost 1,900 pounds. Sweet. And a couple pieces of aluminum. We're gonna go with it. All right. Weigh and pay soon. All right, guys. I'm gonna do this weigh and pay. I'm not sure if this is a rant or a weigh and pay. Have you seen the freaking prices? I don't know about your scrapyard, but ours just lowered the prices this morning. Lucky us. We have our heaviest weight ever, and the price dropped like 30 bucks. Okay, break it down. I had a little bit of aluminum breakage. It's down to 15 cents a pound, paid $1.65. Had some, well, the mixed iron, which basically is the auto cast. That went from 190, she said, to 130, but ours is 140 because we're as they call it, a frequent offender, or repeat offender. Anyways, that paid $131.60. We had 1,880 pounds on this truck, almost a full ton. A couple aluminum radiators that I got out of that pile, 43 cents a pound, paid $4.73. And the sheet aluminum was one little bitty piece of 2 pounds, paying 43 cents a pound, 86 cents. So it paid a total of $138.84. Somewhat defeating, I can tell you. We're really going to be selective on these trips right now. I think we're going to start hoarding for a while and find out, just keep checking to see if the prices are going to go up, because we're just not understanding it. Price of everything is going up, yet metal is dropping. Does this make sense? Doesn't to me. Didn't to the folks in the office. Don't know. Oh well, I hope it's better where you are. Comment, let us know what it's looking like for all of you. We'll keep an eye on things, stick together, and I guess that just means more scrap for us. May not pay much, but more scrap for us. Guys, happy Friday, and we'll talk to you soon. Asshole.